if I look at why would I work with Bohyme, for all the reasons that I have mentioned, but there's also other reasons such as they're part of making the environment better. They're improving it by looking into water waste. So it's the biggest waste in producing hair. And they have actually put a lot of money into lowering that waste. All the things that they have been doing, also taking care of their workers in a better way. I've been to China, so I could probably fill out an afternoon talking about how bad the working market is there. That Bohyme take that upon them because nobody tells them. We're in a very, very unregulated area. There's not really any rules or regulations. There's a lot of trust going into working with a company. That's why I'm actually sticking with Bohyme. I really enjoy it. That's the best I can say. I think it's fun. I think they listen a lot to, what we have to say. That is so unusual. They have listened to what was needed to be changed, and they have actually changed again what was needed. So that is important to me, that I know that the company, they are backing us up. I think the industry then will have to, like I said, Bohyme is the leading company, and other companies are looking at what is the Bohyme doing. So they will lead the way for the rest of them, and which is awesome. So we are talking about environmentally that where they didn't have to, they just started doing that, and other companies will have to do the same. And I think that's important to all of us, that we not only look at, in our country, everything is okay, but where we get our products from, we just pollute like crazy. So Bohyme, like I said, didn't have to do that, but they took it upon themselves to change things there as well. Bohyme in itself was a huge stance to take once that was born as a brand. And that's why I'm saying Bohyme is the leading company, leading the way for the rest of us. So of course, if you have been going through yourself something as dramatic as it is to a lot of women to thin or lose your hair, and you then find yourself being able to do something about it, and help other women in the same situation, that is really a huge thing. That is, I wouldn't even call it really a job, but I would say that it's something that you feel really good about. So I hope that after watching these videos that you will find yourself challenged with another approach or other approaches. Maybe you want to give some feedback that you have a better methods. If you feel that this has been interesting to you, we would love to hear from you, and you can definitely go to bohyme.com and you can write directly back there. There's different ways, of course, to getting in contact with us. It will also be on my side. On my website is worldhairsystem.com, where we do hair and hair extensions, anything that has to do with added hair. And we will also have the videos located there. And of course, you can also contact me through there.